Instead of opening your drink like this and making such a mess, try opening it like this.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey! ¡Te doy de agua! Bruh. No. Voy a poner muerto.
Okay, so let me show you guys the hardest piece I'm working on. Oh,
Oh, good. Good.
Mr. Moon,
Yes, sweetie?
I need help with this problem.
Oh, okay, yeah. So all you have to do is get the 3 finger, then the 2 fingers, and then you put it together.
Mr. Moon,
Yes, sir.
I need help.
Okay.
Look at this amazing science hack.
Alright. Guess who's got the framing right? Gotcha, bro. Last words? Love you, boys. 3, 2, 1. See ya.
Hey!
What would you do if I was your mailman and I rang your doorbell and when you came?
thank you.
Another shoe? That's expensive. Oh, fucking. What are you guys doing?
Which one of these sounds better? The aluminum sheet or the metal sheet?
Hey bro, please don't look, but that girl been staring at you all day. Hey, what's up, my boy? How you been? You hear that new dress?
Who keeps eating all the cereal?
Level 5 brain tease. As you can see, there is 1 lollipop, 2 lollipops, 3 lollipops, 4 lollipops. The challenge is, can you reverse the order and make it 1 lollipop, 2 lollipops, 3 lollipops, and 4 lollipops? The trick is, you can only move 1 lollipop to make that happen. Can you solve it?
Today I'm playing rock, paper, scissors with my cat. Rock, paper, scissors.
Kevin's skincare routine.
In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me.
Yo, did you hear what she did?
Nah, I'm not doing it.
It's like some chemical smell. Yeah, you'll smell it.
Oh, this is no
And you threw flakes in it.
Mommy,
Put
this
this
is
stuff
no
down and then
part.
you throw this.
Sorry.
Holy shit!
Sorry. I'm here to pick up something.
Make the circle, make a circle.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
Wolf sculptures may be hot. They're so hot. They're hot as hell, bro. They're so bad. I can't.
McDonald's are giving us new equipment to try out. This one is so satisfying.
Oh, I'm a ticker too.
Y'all heard.
Estamos bien.
TIk 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 TIk.
Horse.
You ever seen one of these things, dude? Whatever liquid this is, boils with the palm of your hand.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
So what happens if you... Huh.
Mom, what the heck? You just woke me up.
Where is your phone?
Like downstairs, I think. Oh my god, what? How did this even get here?
Give it to
must
me.
have been like a ghost or something, I promise. No, I have like a ghost in my room. I didn't tell you that before, but she lives in my room and she probably put the phone here.
You know, if you really sit down and think about it,
Teacher wasn't supposed to be a part of this law.
Don't take pictures in the bathroom? That's weird. What the? It's like a clown car in there. We're making a TikTok, sir. Come on. We're making a TikTok.
So, 3, 2, 1, shoot.
Oh my god.
Agüita refrescante.
TikTok Trend Origins Part 182.
Fortnite move! Oh, do it again, do it again, do it again! Fortnite move, bitch! Hey! Look at my nephew home!
Ready? 3, 2, 1. See ya.
These goddamn tick takers, man. Gonna end up with whiplash.
Everybody, I'm here with
Colton.
and he's gonna show you the Colton Boogie. You ready? Get it. Go Colton. Go, go, go.
I was gonna say I've never had an issue where some part of me is allowed. That's that secret part. That's a bit steep. Oh, it comes out.
What the? Oh, this is perfect for my girl's birthday. I think I want. Oh! What?
Hello and welcome back to Creature Walking.
Oye, ¿y qué, Gustavo? ¿Qué? ¿Te juntaron allá?
Ahí están. Pues no sé qué están haciendo, no me quedé.
Just spent $1,000 at the airport. That's right, guys. I bought a bag of chips and a water bottle.
So we don't have the capacity.
A Bear have unfollowed each other on Instagram.
Bro, have you ever had one of them butt itches, bro? Like the ones like
Bro, like, your toes be curly, bro.
Yeah, bro. I feel you, bro.
Bro, walk straight, bro.
Rub my head, bro.
Boy.
No. No.
Please, Mom, let me have another push pop.
No.
Stop it!
I'll see you in there.
Can't wait. Love you. Bye.
Love ya.
Okay, let's go.
Ariana, what are you doing here?
Meet me at our spot. Come on, baby, are you looking right? I just want to look into your eyes.
No, that sounds like a bird from the zoo, more than an Among Us.
Hey, close your eyes. Jesus. This is strong ass glass.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What's up, princess? Got you there. Have her home by 6. Punk ass. Come on in.
Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Maple Burl. Instant City.
I thought it was pizza. Why did you have to ruin my night?
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
I can't find the sound, but whoa!
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
You throw this. Sorry.
I'm not even. Yo, I kid you not.
Bro, slow down. You eating so fast.
You never know what's gonna be our last meal, bro. That's what Uncle Jerry said. Rest in peace, bro. This food hitting though, right?
Yeah, it is good though. I ain't gonna lie.
I think me no plate. Who died again?
Uncle Jerry.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so the next step is roast the potatoes.
Hey, your mom, yeah?
I found the most amazing sound in the world. Ready for this?
Justice, you got the baby right? Got you, bro. Any last words?
Boys, ready? 3, 2, 1, clear.
Dad, I swear, I don't even know what they're talking about. I don't even know what that is. That's not. Alright, we'll go this way. Oh no. It's okay. Oh, my nail fell.
This one is different than the rest because it includes you as an option.
The Eiffel Tower had other plans for us yesterday. Honestly thought we was going to die. The lift was bouncing for a good 5 minutes and literally threw to children across.
Yeah, let's check. Yeah.
Is your character a female?
Yes.
Does your character really exist?
Yes.
Does your character personally know you?
No.
Is your character a YouTuber?
No.
I see. Does your character create music?
No.
Does your character often appears without a shirt?
No.
Well, well. Is your character an actor?
Yes.
I see. Is your character blonde?
Yes.
Ha. Has your character ever played in a superhero movie?
Yes.
Okay. Is your character abusive?
Yes.
I guess that you are thinking of Amber Heard. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. I guess right. Do you want to play again?
No, I'm done. I'm good. I'm good for the year.
Tracy! Tracy! What you see?
Who would you not let your daughter date?
Nick, 100%.
Who would you not let your daughter date?
Nikki G, my boy Nikki G. Hell no.
Who would you not let your daughter date?
Nick.
Who would you not let your daughter date?
Nick.
Who on the team would you not let your daughter date?
Dude, I'm literally about to shit my pants. Nick.
Who on the team would you not let your daughter date?
Nick.
Who would you not let your daughter date?
Nick.
Who on the team would you not let your daughter date?
Fucking Nick, that's the
Who on the team would you not let your daughter date?
Nikki G.
Who on the team would you not let your daughter date?
Nikki G.
Who on the team would you not let your daughter date?
Nikki G.
Who would you not let your daughter date?
Lucas. Oh no, or Cole.
Oh. Team would you not let your daughter date?
Nick.
Who on the team would you not let your daughter date? Who on the team would you not let your daughter date?
Rivers.
Who on the team have you not let your daughter date?
Kaden.
Who on the team would you not let your daughter date?
Nick.
Who on the
Walking
team?
slush.
Who would you not want your daughter to date? Nick. Who would you not let your daughter to date?
Cole Youngblood. Watch out, get off.
Okay, Nick.
He's too sexy.
Who would you not let your daughter date?
Lucas Dominguez.
How can she hang up on me?
Thanks for choosing Missy B.
Hello, honey. I wanted to talk about what y'all got today in the menu.
Fried chicken, baked chicken, smothered chicken ribs.
Woo, child. That's some good ass food. Hey, you doing? Honey, okay, you got mac and cheese?
We have macaroni and cheese.
Is it crispy? Cause you know me, I'm a thick bitch. I want my mac and cheese to be crispy.
It's really cheesy.
Oh, that's so. Oh, I'm sorry, child. I'm 44, so I make a lot of noises. Okay, there's no problem. Y'all got any pork chops?
We have pork chops.
Oh, child. Hey, y'all doing? Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, darling. I'm gonna come with my husband. Is that okay? You got a table for two?
Everything is to go.
Oh, to go. But my back be hurting, so I cannot sit down on the concrete and eat.
You don't have to sit down on the concrete. You just walk up and order.
I got a big booty, so I need I gotta squash around. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, honey. I'm finna come there and then I'm gonna order when I get there.
Okay, we'll see you shortly, okay?
Okay, sweetheart.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You do. Okay, now I'm gonna call as a...
The Secret Snarl by Abigail. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily, and she always had wanted a snarl. But one day that changed. One day, Lily went outside to play, and she found a snarl. So she went inside to make it a home. Wow. When she got inside, she decided to name the snarl Fred. She really loved the snarl a lot. Bye, geez!
Happy Star Wars Day, everyone. Today is also my birthday. And because it's my birthday, I get to introduce you to my girlfriend, who is amazing. Happy Star Wars Day, everyone. Today is also my birthday. And Star Wars Day, everyone. Today is also my birthday. Star Wars Day, everyone. Today is also my birthday. And because it's my birthday, everyone, today is also my birthday. And because it's my day, everyone, today is also my birthday. And because it's my birthday, I get to introduce you to my girlfriend.
Marcus, you don't want to do this. Let her go.
Breaking news, a man is currently holding his girlfriend hostage. Police are outside of his home waiting negotiation terms. Breaking news, a man is currently holding his girlfriend hostage. Police are outside. Breaking news, a man is currently holding his girlfriend hostage. Police are outside of his...
My fellow Americans, I know we are all aware of the current market situation developing. I want to assure you I have my fellow Americans. I know we are all aware of the current market situation developing. My fellow Americans, currently holding his girlfriend hostage. I want to assure you I have my fellow Americans.
Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to